Hello everyone, welcome back to the CATHAY Pacific Fleet Updates YouTube channel here with me, Roberto Monaco Ignacio speaking here, as well as my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Hui. And today, we will be talking about a CX777-300ER that returned to Hong Kong from Xiamen, and she ordered got reconfigured into a B-77J and or receive her larger titles, but I have a feeling that she might not wear her larger titles. So this aircraft took off at 12:41 midnight at Xiamen at runway 05 and landed at Hong Kong Airport at 1:36 a.m. in the southern runway. This aircraft is registered as B-LRE Papa X-ray. Gate circle distance of 496 kilometers. Took her first her flight number at 6:38:21. Actual flight time 56 minutes, going to 2 kiloknots and a jump 191 degrees. So let's proceed to the next aircraft, which is an Airbus A350-900. She is registered as Bravo Lima Romeo Echo. She took her flight number 6:38:20. Great circle distance of 496 kilometers. Actual flight time 1 hour and 3 minutes and a jump of 70 degrees. This aircraft took off at runway 907 at Xiamen Airport at 4:57 a.m. local time. And then she landed at the southern runway at exactly 6 a.m. local time in Hong Kong. So for Bravo Kilo Papa X, are kindly determine on how many days you stay there, written in the description below. So for the details of these aircrafts, kindly check the previous videos about Bravo Lima Romeo Echo and Bravo Lima Papa X-ray. Bravo Kilo Papa X-ray. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. Bye guys, and see you